Hey everyone, it's Anjan's Tech Treasures, and today we're diving into two popular options in the thin and light laptop market, the Acer Aspire Lite with an AMD Ryzen 5 5500U and the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3 powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 7520U. Both laptops boast impressive specs and sleek designs, but which one is the right fit for you? Let's find out. Starting with the looks, both laptops have a premium feel with their metal bodies. The Acer Aspire Lite comes in a sleek steel grey, while the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3 opts for a more subdued Arctic grey. Design-wise, they're both pretty similar, with slim bezels and a clean aesthetic. Both laptops are also incredibly lightweight, making them perfect for students or professionals on the go. Both laptops feature a 15.6-inch Full HD display, offering decent color accuracy and viewing angles. However, there might be slight differences in brightness and contrast ratios, so it's always best to check out detailed reviews or see them in person if possible. Now let's talk about the brains of these laptops. The Acer Aspire Lite is equipped with an AMD Ryzen 5 5500U, while the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3 packs a newer AMD Ryzen 5 7520U. The 7520U is definitely the more powerful processor, offering better overall performance, especially in tasks like video editing and gaming. However, the 5500U still holds its own for everyday tasks like browsing, document editing, and streaming. Both laptops come with a generous 16GB of RAM, which is great for multitasking and running demanding applications. Storage-wise, the Acer Aspire Lite offers a massive 1TB SSD, while the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3 comes with a 512GB SSD. If you need plenty of storage for media files or large projects, the Acer might be the better choice. The Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3 has a few extra perks, including a backlit keyboard, built-in Alexa, and a 3-month Game Pass subscription. These features can add value for users who prioritize convenience and entertainment. So which laptop should you choose? If you need maximum performance and don't mind spending a bit more, the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3 with its Ryzen 7520U processor is the way to go. However, if you prioritize storage and prefer a slightly lower price point, the Acer Aspire Lite with its 1TB SSD is a solid option. Ultimately, the best laptop for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Consider your workload, storage requirements, and desired features to make the right choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons and reviews. Let me know in the comments which laptop you choose and why.